How to suppress or capture the output of Subprocess.Run. From the examples and docs on Subprocess.Run, it seems like there shouldn't be any output from. However, when I try it in a Python shell, the listing gets printed. I wonder if this is the default behavior and how to suppress the output of run.
Suppressing. Here is how to suppress output, in order of decreasing levels of cleanliness. They assume you are on Python 3. You can redirect to the special, subprocess.devnull, target. If you want a fully manual method, can redirect to dev to null by opening the file handle yourself. Everything else would be identical to method number 1. Capturing. Here is how to capture output, to use later or parse, in order of decreasing levels of cleanliness. They assume you are on Python 3. Note, the below examples use universal_newlines equals true, Python less than or equal to 3.6. This causes the stout and stare to be captured as str instead of bytes. Omit universal_newlines equals true to get bytes data. Python greater than or equal to 3.7 accepts text equals true as a short form for universal_newlines equals true. If you simply want to capture both stout and stare independently, and you are on Python greater than or equal to 3.7, use capture_output equals true. You can use subprocess.pipe to capture stout and stare independently. This works on any version of Python that supports subprocess.run.
X to capture the output of ls.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.